Does anyone know what an IFB is?
You know, who'll know?
Tell us, Mr. Audio.
When someone is doing an interview via satellite or ISDN, there is latency, which is primarily due to the delays generated by transmitting the signal between the two locations. Since this delay, which is similar to the latency heard with some digital audio workstations, can be annoying, the audio feed to the talent is what's known as a mix minus, meaning that the talent's voice is not looped back to them. This eliminates the delay in the cue mix, so now everyone can hear everyone else, but no one hears echoes. This monitor mix that the person being interviewed hears is called an IFB, which stands for Interruptible Foldback, because the feed to the talent's earpiece can be interrupted by the director's mic. An IFB is standard for any interview or VO recording whenever long distance is involved.
Thanks, Mr. Audio.
For more interesting facts about sound, visit Mr. Audio at soundimages.com.